G'day everyone, Ian Fegan here, also known as Professor Shoelace. Today's video is about the two-loop shoelace knot, or bunny ears technique. Let's have a look at it now. I've got a shoe that's ready to tie, and we'll begin with a left over right starting knot. So that's the left end feeding over the right end, pushing one end under and pulling through. Now we create a loop on each side, and this time we wrap the right loop over the left, right over the left loop, and feed one under and through and pull tight. Pretty simple really. Again, create a left over right starting knot with the loose ends, then create two loops and tie a right over left finishing knot with those two loops. Now it's important that you do the finishing knot the opposite way to the starting knot. So I did the starting knot left over right. If I was to create a finishing knot also left over right, it comes naturally because you're sort of doing both stages of the knot the same way. But what happens is, notice how it tends to sit along the shoe instead of across the shoe. That's formed what we call a granny knot, and this unbalanced knot will come undone more easily. So it's very important when you're teaching this knot to teach that if you do one stage left over right, do the second stage right over left. You can do the whole lot in reverse if you prefer. Start with a right over left and finish with left over right. Anyway, that's the finished two-loop shoelace knot, and instructions on how to do it as well as avoid the granny knot, plus about a dozen or more other shoelace knots, are all available on Ian's Shoelace site.